Hello, my name is Neža Filipovic, and I'm going to edit my profile now. So first thing, we have to come to our profile photo here, and moving on to edit profile. I've already edited profile, of course, but here is what I did. My name, surname, email address. Now email display, here we can make a choice between these three options, and I actually decided to allow only other course members to see my email address. I'm from Belgrade, Serbia, and it is important to set your time zone because of these live sessions, I think most, as then it will be adjusted and you have the actual time in your country. Description, I've put a description here, a short one, and my current picture is, luckily here I had a problem uploading it because when I wanted to upload this photo of mine, everything was black a couple of times, but in the end I managed to upload the photo. So don't give up if you have a problem. Okay, now we are not going to touch the photo. Additional names, if you want to put your phonetic, it's okay. Now for interest, actually I've chosen traveling, theater, reading and gardening, and in this optional part I put my Skype ID, my Yahoo ID, and in that way I didn't want to put anything else, and in that way I've managed to update my profile. In the preferences here you have a lot of options to play with your profile, to change language, editor preferences, and so on and so on. What I only want to show you here is that completing this profile of mine, actually I got 2 badges, and I think that okay, that would be all for now. Thank you for listening.